Hi friends! Welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm gonna be making grapefruit jelly. Fruit jelly is one of the most popular desserts in Japan, especially appreciated in the hot summer day. You can find this type of fruit jelly at the department store, cake shop, or even at Convini. What I like about this jelly is just combining the jelly and fruit in the glass, and the fruit is not losing their vitamins. I choose grapefruit and kiwi fruit today, but you can use any fruit of your preference. But keep in mind, fresh tart fruit prevents gelatin from the setting, so you want to set gelatin separately. Today I used leaf gelatin to make soft and transparent jelly. Watch my previous video for the details about what you can do with gelatins. And I want to make two jellies to make a layer of different texture by adding more or less gelatin. Let's get started. Soak each leaf gelatin into icy water to bloom for at least 10 minutes. Dissolve sugar in boiling water and add in bloomed gelatin. Add in lemon juice and white wine. Give it a nice stir and chill in the ice bath. Transfer to an airtight container when it starts setting. Then chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours or until set. Make one more jelly and set aside while preparing the food. Cut off the top and bottom of the red grapefruit. And then slice around the fruit, removing the pith and the peel. Cut down the side of the segment along the membranes, and then cut the other side and take out the segment onto a strainer set on a bowl. Squeeze out the juice from the leftovers and keep the juice. Set aside. Now peel off the kiwi fruit and cut into small pieces. Remove the seeds from your grapefruit segment using the tip of the knife. Transfer the juice to another small bowl and mix with 1/3 of jelly mixture. This makes soft and tart grapefruit jelly that creates refreshing aftertaste. Chill until start setting. Chill the rest of the jelly mixture as well. Now let's assemble. Divide the fruit jelly into the glass. And put in the fruit alternating with jelly. Chill in the fridge at least 2 hours or until set. Before serving, top with crumbled sparkle jelly. Put mint leaves for the garnish. There you have your grapefruit jelly. You can use any seasonal fruit of your choice. The jelly can be kept in the fridge for several days, so you can make ahead of time for your friends or family coming over. So refreshing and satisfying summer dessert. No guilty feelings at all. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And go to my website for the printable recipe and more information. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Stay safe and stay healthy, and I will see you soon. Bye!